garden. All right, we did storage, we're gonna do garden. It's a fun time of year. Oh, you know, I forgot to look exactly how many days to spring. I think there should be like 35, 36 days to spring. So we'll hold on to that. Take a look, Wicker Park. Wicker Park has been on QVC now for 6 years. It is the garden division of Bethlehem Lights, which has been on the air with us for 25 years. And we love everything from our Bethlehem Lights, all our holiday decorations and things like that. So we decided we would go ahead and bring you their garden division. These spheres have been so popular and you're getting such an incredible value on them today. These are your bougainvillea. We have them in the purple and pink, and you get a set of 2. Each one is 13 spheres, only 300 in the purple and pink. In the pink and white, you get 2 of those, obviously. You're going to get 2 chains, so if you want to hang them somewhere, a little Martha Stewart moment, you know, hang them off of a tree or a trellis or something like that. You're going to get 4 of these ground stakes, and yes, these are the ones, and we'll show you how you could split them in half, and then you'll get 8 zip ties, so that if you split them in half and then you decide down the road, you know what, I'd really want to put them back together, you can put them back together easily. You don't even really necessarily need the zip ties. All right, Michelle Stretch is here, and we're going to keep her with us on this Galentine's Day. Don't you look pretty, my friend?
Gallentown.
I know, I had to think about it this morning too. Galentine's Day. Save
Happy
the other one.
Galentine's.
All right, friend, these are just, they look so real when you put them out. There's so many different things that you can do with them. And you as a designer really, I know, can go to town and show us lots of ways.
As a designer and also as somebody who's kind of mediocre at gardening. So I absolutely add this into my, even if you're a great gardener like you, I know you love our spheres.
I do love them.
When we first brought these with Wicker Park, people are like, what do I do with the sphere? Okay, well, what don't you do? You can hang them up. I have something hung up back here instead of a hanging basket.
Wait, am I in your way?
There you go. I took one set. I hung one, and then I split the other one, and I put it in that basket there.
That's so pretty.
So now you have a little bit of an idea of one way, two ways actually, that you can hang them. And they're very pretty too, Pat. They're 5-year fade resistant.
Absolutely.
They're our bougainvillea. They look realistic. So you can use them in your garden, and no one's going to know that they're faux, and they might be the only thing that's alive at the end of the summer, like mine last year. We had a terrible year.
There you go. That's how you can very easily pull them apart, and that's the nice thing. And they do stay down. For me, I put them in an area of my front yard that I know that the deer enjoy. I'm eating everything to the ground.
Beetles, deer,
yeah,
droughts.
I finally got smart and put these out, and I have seasonal ones. These would be beautiful for spring. Instead of how much hanging plants are so expensive, beautiful hanging plants, and then you have to replace them every year. Why not use that incredible hanging chain and hang them? I think that would be really cool this year if you want to do something like that.
You know what? I have a set of all green. It's these green leaves without the flowers that have been hanging outside for years. And honestly, that fade resistance, these are mold, it's in the mold injection, the colors, so they're color fast, there's nothing applied, so they absolutely do not fade. 5 years, we say full sun, fade resistant. Gorgeous colors on there. Even the flowers are so realistic and they're pretty and abundant.
Perfect state of bloom all the time. It's not like, you know, back to those hanging baskets. So if you buy them and they're sort of, you know, just starting to get started, and hanging baskets for me are hard to keep. Either the birds build a nest in them, which then I give up, or they dry out. They dry out really fast. So they're a lot of work. Where these are not a lot of work. You decide what you're going to do. How many of you are hosting a shower, or you're, you know, have a graduation party or something? What you did for us this morning, you could very easily do, and it would be fun instead of spending the money on flowers.
I think that's a great idea, yeah. And you know what? So remember, you can hang them. We give you the chains, and they are safe for outside too. You can split them apart. And I don't know if you saw me doing that earlier, Pat, but where are the stakes? Okay, so we give you the stakes. They're porous and they're lightweight. So right there, you're going to just put the stake through there, and then you secure those into your mulch beds, into your pots. I use them as, you know, I have some boxwood and some grasses and things that are easy to grow that are green, and then I add my pops of color. I keep them out spring all the way through fall, and then I do bring these inside, and then I bring them out the next year. So you have these for years to come, and you're guaranteed full bloom, guaranteed color.
Purple, pink. 130 remain. That is it, and then they are gone. And oh, by the way, did I tell you they're not coming back?
No.
And we're going to do something different for you. Don't worry, but these are not going to be available. So if you're looking at it and you're saying, you know what? Oh, I'd really love to do them at the pots around maybe by the garage or in the front of the house that gets beaten with sun, as you said last year.
You might not go frequently to water.
You know, or maybe you're going to be traveling and you just. If I told you this story already, I apologize. I'll just say quickly, if you're selling a house, when we were selling our childhood home, you know, none of us were going to be there to water real flowers. We bought these, and it looked really pretty.
And add them in. Add them in with your real plants, or, you know, maybe you're the worst gardener ever, and then you're going to love these.
And you know what, even if I add the shipping and handling, they're going to come down to less than $15 a piece, which is a steal for these because they're absolutely beautiful. So happy Galentine's Day, my friends.
You as well.
Some conversation hearts, just in case you didn't get a Valentine yet.
So I haven't.
Okay, well, have a wonderful Valentine's Day.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, love.